So let's take a look at what we did in this project. So we took a simple landing page and we created blocks and WordPress theme that let us kind of do the full site editing with what we have, with the flexible blocks and with our minimalistic theme. So there are more things we could do. For example, what happens if we have multiple subpages and we want, for example, to show blog posts. So at the moment, you see here, it just shows the content of the page, of the post. So if I say edit post, we would have to define some kind of blocks, content sections that we could drag here and structure the content with them. Blocks are very powerful, and with new Pinegrow they are also easy to create and easy to make, and that's a very good combination. So enjoy making them, and I hope that they will open new possibilities when it comes to the way how you build your WordPress projects. So thank you for following this tutorial and have a good day. Bye bye.